Hello YouTube, this is Lucas Martin1234 and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an album cover like Coldplay album cover, which is here. An album cover like this in Photoshop. So let's get started. First of all, we create a new document, file, new. Create it 3000 by 3000 with any resolution that you want, because resolution really doesn't matter. And then I unlock the background. You don't really have to, but then you create a gradient with the colours D3, 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 and the other colour is D2, D2, and D2. So as you can see, it's a really understated gradient. You can hardly even tell it's there, but it is there nevertheless. So now we need a sort of a texture. As you can see, this is textured like a metal texture. So go and find yourself a metal texture and pause this video. I already have one, which would be it would be here. This is the texture that I'm going to use. Unlock it first. Click and drag it into here, and then press Ctrl T and then press Shift, and then drag the corner up. Pressing Shift constrains proportion so it doesn't look distorted. And now I would reduce the opacity to around 30%, and then I shift click these two and merge layers. You can rename this if you want, it doesn't really matter, you don't have to. Background, but if you want to, you can. So now we'll get the type. I'll put the link in the description, guys, don't worry. So you do an M, and then you Ctrl T again, shift click, drag the corner. And you press enter to put it down. Get text tool again, make an X. First of all, you have to kind of get off this. Let's just close this. Control T again, shift click it. Let's make that one a bit bigger. So yeah, that looks about right. So now you get these two. This is what I do. Shift click them both and then click this one, so it aligns them centrally, and you can move them up or down if you want. So now we need some sort of like pattern. I'm not going to use those exact patterns, we're going to use our own. So I'm using pictures of a galaxy from the NASA image exchange. The link will also be in the description. One here and one here. Let's open these two. So first of all, you grab the one you want, just unclick this, you just drag and drop, put it over the M like vaguely, then you press Alt, and then first of all we need to move the M into the right place, so you press Alt and then click. So now it's made a clipping, a layer mask for, I don't know what it's called to be honest. So you can position this wherever you want. I've put it about there, that looks pretty good. So now you grab the next one, you do exactly the same, but you do it for the X. So first of all we need to alt click it again so it's unconstrained, and then move it to above the X. You just click alt click and then move it around to wherever you think is pretty cool. And that looks alright. So now what you do, double click M, you click stroke. Let's make the stroke 4 points, let's see how that looks. No, a bit more, 8. Yeah, 8 looks pretty good. No, not. Put it 5. Put the opacity down a bit so it's not as noticeable. Then you click make default, because this will make the next stage much easier. Then you click inner shadow, and then you make the angle so the inner shadow is coming from this direction like this. Not as much there. You can make it a bit smaller. Do what you got to do, then click make default again, because this will make the X much easier to do. Now all you do is double click the X, click stroke, and it uses that stroke that's already there because we click make default. Then we click inner shadow, it does exactly the same, makes it it's the default, so it's the same one we use there. So you just click OK, and file, save as, save it wherever. So that's the Coldplay logo. Looks pretty good. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.